So on your inkjet printer, on both your left hand and your right hand side, you'll see a nice little cutout here. This is for your door. You can just go ahead and pry that open on one side and then just repeat the process on the other side, just like that. And then this door just comes down, open. Now you'll see another little cutout here. You can use your finger and just pull this towards you or pull this down. And here comes your ink cartridges. So on the left you have your color, and on the right you have your black here. Now all you have to do is just again take your index finger and then just push it down just like that. That releases it, and then you could use your two fingers just to take it out just like this. So this is your printer ink here, and then installing it back, you kind of just slide this in at a small angle here and push that towards the back. You don't have to use a whole lot of force. And then all you have to do is just use your index finger and then push up towards the top. And then you'll hear an audible click, just like that. And then you just have to repeat the process for the other side. Once that's done, close up that door, close up the other door. And now, just like that, your ink cartridges and your OfficeJet here, this is the 3836, has been replaced.